This is my new favorite way to start every YouTube video. This is called Ink, and it's a smart pen that basically digitizes whatever you write or draw on real paper. Now, I'm a firm believer that writing things down is the best way to start any YouTube video. Well, any project really, because it takes all the creative thoughts that are floating around your head and organizes them onto paper so that you can reorganize it, make a game plan, and make the video. Now, this video is sponsored by Ink, and I did not expect to like this pen so much. Like, as a creative entrepreneur, organization is such an important thing to get down. Like, I have to organize my videos. I have to organize the actual business of things. Like, I have to be super organized to do what I do, and this pen helps me do that because it saves me so much time. All right, let me show you how this works.
All right, so to get started, just simply take off the cap from the pen, and that will automatically turn the pen on. You're gonna see a blue light, which means that the pen is synced to your phone, and now you can begin writing. Now, as you can see, I've already written some notes down. This is a brand new page, and watch what happens. I'm gonna type in a word, and automatically the app has created a new page for me. We're gonna write a little bit more so that you can see how it digitizes instantly. I am making a video about a pen. So cool, right? But watch what happens when I tap on the screen. And look, it actually typed out what I wrote down. Now, like I said before, you can also draw. So let's go ahead and go to the next page. And I'm just gonna draw something simple. And you're gonna see it's made a new page for me. You know, something simple that everyone can draw. You know, we used to all do this in school. There we go. A very simple picture of Homer Simpson, digitized instantly. Now check this out. Say that I want to go back to the previous page and make additional notes. Well, because Ink is so smart, it knows exactly which page to make those notes on. So we're just going to write under the line on this page, I just drew Homer Simpson. Look at that. That was from the previous page. That is awesome. And then if you want to start a brand new page, simply go to brand new page and you can write fresh new notes.
Now, that's great. But what's greater is that you don't even have to have your phone or the app on to digitize your notes. You could just bring this notebook, your pen, go to a coffee shop, write down whatever notes you have, and because of the built-in memory in this pen, everything that you've written down can be later synced up to the app and uploaded to the cloud so that you can view your notes on your phone or on your computer. Can you see now how that saves you so much time in the pre-production process? Like, if you're meeting up with a client, like say this is not even for a YouTube video, but you're meeting up with a photography client, a video client, whatever, you're having coffee with them, they're telling you what they want, you're writing down notes, and as you're writing down those notes, the pen will memorize everything that you've written and upload it to your phone and on your computer later. That is so cool. And also, it's very rude to like grab your phone and you're meeting with a client and you're like, I'm writing down notes. Like, to me, I feel like that's very unprofessional. Like, I like to write notes down as I'm actually talking with the client, you know, eye-to-eye connection. That's way more professional. And the fact that you have the freedom to not only write, but sketch things down, like, to me, that is awesome. And if that wasn't cool enough, this pen combined with the microphone on your phone can be used as a voice recorder. So in that same example with meeting your client for a cup of coffee, well, let's just say that you want to record the conversation as well as write down notes. Well, just fire up the Ink app, hit record, start writing notes. And as you're writing notes on this paper, there's actually tiny little dots on each line, which helps sync the words and the audio recording in the app so that when you go back to your office, review your notes, and you're kind of confused by why you wrote that note in the first place, well, you can play back the audio recording, and if you tap on a certain section of your notes, the app will play back that exact part of the conversation to remind you why you wrote that note in the first place.
So now you're home, you want to go over your notes and conversation, but you kind of forgot what these notes meant. Well, to go over that specific part of the conversation, just tap on the screen icon over here. You're going to select tap to play. And now you'll see your words, your notes being highlighted with this green color. And then you can just tap on any note that you wrote down. Let's tap on this, exposure bucks.
Or for low money like exposure bucks.
You know, exposure bucks is so important that I think we can give you so much exposure bucks. Low money exposure bucks. Can you
Okay, so there you go. That's how you sync the audio recording with the notes that you've written down. Pretty cool. But this whole concept can apply to a variety of different people. Like if you're a student and you want to record a lecture while taking notes, well, you can record that entire lecture, and as you're studying for a test, whatever, you're looking over your notes, you can play back the recording of that lecture, tap on a specific part of your notes, and that'll play back that specific part of the audio recording. Guys, come on. And of course, with the audio recording feature, you can transcribe whatever you record, making your life just so much easier. This is going to be so helpful to me in addition to planning out my YouTube videos. Like if I'm planning a trip with my other creative friends, well, we can have a conversation, talk about maybe going to Iceland, write some notes down, but I can save the notes, save the conversation, and share all of that amongst my creative friends so that we can all be on the same page. This pen is gonna be like so vital for me for 2026 to plan out my videos and projects and basically my entire business. Like there's so much freedom when writing things down. Like I have notes upon notes of all these ideas and sketches, and I just don't plan on digitizing them because why would I want to retype it? But if I can write it down, save it digitally on my phone, like that's gonna save so much time. And so I love it. I love it. Now, a few techie tidbits about this pen. The pen actually won't turn on unless the cap is taken off. And there you'll see an indicator. You'll see a green light to tell you that it's on, but then a blue light to tell you that it's synced and paired to your phone. And then to charge the pen, there's a USB-C port on the bottom. And when you charge it, you'll see a blinking light to tell you that it's charging. Now on the tip of the pen is where the scanner is, and it'll scan exactly what you're writing. And you have to write with this specific notebook from ink because there's little dots on the line that kind of syncs everything together. And so that's something that you should probably keep in mind, that if you want to use this pen, you kind of have to use Ink's notebooks. They're cool notebooks though. And that's kind of pretty much it. The battery life on this pen is actually pretty impressive. It lasts all day. It lasts about 10 hours if you really want to know, but I just charge it whenever it needs to be charged because, you know, why would I write 10 hours a day? Well, that's the Ink Pen, my new favorite creative tool to map out my YouTube videos going into 2026. If you want to check it out, maybe grab one for yourself. I'm going to drop the links down below where you can get a 30% discount. But thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.